this is an update on the last of the saved fiddle leaf fig stem cuts that I was trying to propagate. I had 4 or 5, I don't even remember right now. But out of all the bunch I had, most of them made it. And the last 2, which were deeper or more towards the bottom of the plant, not the tip, those made well, but the ones further down the tree, were having the hardest time. One of them I had to give up because of the move. And this one, I just didn't want to give up. It showed a little bit of something that looked like it could be the beginnings of roots. So I stuffed it. I had to move it from the glass container full of water, and I stuffed it in this tiny little type of container in a wet napkin. And look at this. This is about a week after we moved. I really haven't even paid any attention to any plants, but I decided that this one, since it was knocked down on the side, I thought, let me just put it back in the glass container or see what's going on. And when I saw this, I decided to grab the camera because I wanted to show you. I hope I can do it with only one hand, but literally it just took us days to get here and days for it to be outside with no attention. And there is a tiny little root. This is so exciting to me. I think I will put it back in the glass container. At this point, I don't really know if I should leave it in the wet napkin, which is what I had. A tight little container, a wet napkin wrapped in plastic, all tight all the way to the trunk, and put in a basket full of my other plants that I was moving along. And let's see, well, hopefully I can just pull it with one hand. Otherwise it's gonna look all crazy, excuse me. Okay, here we go. The napkin shows roots. They are all brand new. I think I just pulled this one. Oh my gosh. I think I pulled it broken. Yeah, I broke it. But so far, this is my little piece of advice based on my experience. If you are not having luck with growing it in dirt or growing it in water, stick it with a wet napkin in a tight container, and this is working. I have pretty much given up on this, except that I didn't want to toss it in the garbage. I wouldn't leave it so long unsupervised because it will attach to the paper, and that's not a good idea. But I'm going to pour more water and try to let it kind of dilute the napkin into nothing, if possible, and have the little roots separate and safe as opposed to breaking them out of the tree. But from here I'm going to put it back in the glass container with water in a sunny window and let it finish growing as many roots as the other ones when I transplanted it. But this is a very happy ending or a very nice beginning, depending on how you see it, because I will have another one that I can put in the dirt in a container and grow another fiddle leaf fig tree, which is a success story for propagation. And I am so happy. I'm going to put them, if you're just new bumping into this video, I'm going to make a playlist so you can see where I started, and subscribe if you want to see more videos of plants, gardens, and home things, because I'm going to be working on some videos for home things now that we are in our new location. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.